The first level is the level of when people manifest. Basically, what they're seeking to manifest is something that has been given to them by society, by their parents, something that's become popular in the world, and they use the sacred laws of manifestation to get the things that they want. And oftentimes later on discover that it wasn't really true manifestation. It wasn't really something born out of the calling of their soul. It was just something that was popular in the moment, and they received it and they were temporarily happy, only to discover that a few weeks later the intrinsic joy was not really activated. Many people operate at that level. Then there's what is called true manifestation. True manifestation is when you're bringing something into expression, but along with it, you're cultivating your soul. You're becoming more yourself. So at the end of the manifestation, if it's a true manifestation, not only have you brought something into the visible world, but you've also changed. You've also transformed. True manifestation is akin to what I call the Law of Radiance, which is you're not trying to attract something to yourself. You're seeking to have the frequency and the vibration that you already have it, and then you radiate that frequency, and then that frequency, that vibration, then condenses itself into your needs met, condenses itself into open opportunities, beautiful opportunities. It condenses itself into possibilities. It condenses itself into new things coming into your life, but not without you becoming more you. And so over the number of years, many people have been operating under the old law of manifesting, which is to imagine something and to let your mind embrace it, and this is to get what you want. It's old, it's outdated, it's entry level at its best. True manifestation says that what I want, I have it, and I do not want anything that doesn't come with the emergence of more me, more of my authentic self. Do you realize that when a farmer plants a seed, there's no cause and effect relationship? It's not making that thing happen. The seed is planted in fertile soil, and that which is already within the seed emerges. It becomes visible. We live in a field of infinite potential. We are infinite beings. So what's really happening with true manifestation? Something is emerging that's already there. And then you'll understand something else. You'll understand bliss. Many people never get to bliss. They hang out in temporary happiness, a temporary counterfeit happiness based on a temporary circumstance. Bliss comes from the activation of your potential. In true manifestation, your potential is activated and you find yourself in greater states of bliss and ecstasy, of which most people never have a chance to even embody because they're caught up in temporary counterfeit happiness based on circumstance. If you have felt into what I have just said, you've liked what you've heard, you like what you're feeling about it, I'm inviting you to the Masterclass, in which we will explore this concept, but more importantly, we'll explore the feeling tone and the embodiment of this truth even further. Look forward to seeing you.